Hi guys, hope you had a really awesome weekend. It's Sunday today and sun's shining, so hopefully you'll get to go outside and get some fresh air. I know that a lot of you guys sleep late, so get up, hear the birds chirping. Anyway, I put an infographic up here today to just kind of finish up our nuclear section of what we were studying with nuclear energy. And I thought this was kind of interesting because it says how much fuel does it take to power a light bulb for a year? And if you look here, let's see if I can get I never can find here it is. It takes 714 pounds of coal. Also, if you look in here, it says burning 1 ton of coal produces 2,460 kilowatts of energy. That's a lot of energy, okay? But not compared to the nuclear. Like if you look at the nuclear, which we were discussing in class, you had 0.035 pounds, that's very little, and it produces 10,246,469 kilowatts of energy. So you can see the difference between burning coal and burning nuclear. Now, natural gas down here, 143 pounds of natural gas. I was actually doing some research on a fuel company called Cabot Gas and Oil, and they, on the New York Stock Exchange, everybody says natural gas is the way that everything is going to go. Now, my brother is in the natural gas and oil companies, so I was looking at that company. I don't know much about it, but hey, what are you going to do? So, it doesn't produce that much energy when you look at it compared to the nuclear and the coal. Where's my pointer again? Oh, there. So 143 pounds. 1 pound of the natural gas can only produce 6.12 kilowatts of energy. Now compare that to the nuclear, which was 10 million. You see why nuclear seems to be a much better option. However, as we've discovered in the last couple of days, there are definitely risks with nuclear. One of the biggest risks with nuclear is what do you do with all the radioactive waste? Now, coming up later in the week, I posted some things about wind, and then early next week, we're talking about solar energy. I'll come back up on here. Oh, the dogs are going to bark, so just hold on. There they go. And then hydroelectric power later on in the week. So I hope you guys had a really good week. I want to keep these videos kind of short. Nobody wants to listen to my lovely voice with the dogs barking early in the morning. So let me know if you have any problems. Just keep up on the work. You guys are doing an awesome job. I know this is a really hard time. It's a hard time for me not being there seeing you. It's a hard time for my kids not being able to go to school. It's just really hard. So get outside, get some fresh air. That always makes me feel better. Go for a walk, ride a bike. My daughter is actually riding a bike. I know. For those of you who know her, I had her put on a helmet because it's very hard to imagine Tia on a bike. So anyway, go ride your bikes, go for a walk, get some exercise. It'll make you feel better. And I will talk to you again on Thursday.